consecutive integers and consecutive even integers. In the first example, you're told that there are 3 consecutive integers, and you're asked to find the sums of the second and the third and simplify the expression. So here, in this problem, it says nothing about being even or odd, so we assume that they are just the next number. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to make the first one as x. And because I'm looking at something like, for example, 1, 2, 3, if my first one is x, my second one is 1 plus 1, so x plus 1. My third one, to get from 1 to 3, I have to add 2. So I have my x plus 2. So now I've determined that my first integer is just x, my second integer is x plus 1, and my third integer is x plus 2. Now I have to figure out an expression for the sum of the second and the third. So I need the second one and the third one, and I need to find the sum. Sum means add. So I have x plus 1 plus x plus 2. So there's my second integer, x plus 1, and my third integer, x plus 2. I need to combine my like terms, so I'm going to get rid of the parentheses. So I have x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Combine my like terms. So I have 2x plus, combine my other like terms, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now I have my answer, 2x plus 3. That problem is done. The next example. There are 3 consecutive even integers. Find the sum of the first and the third. So again, I'm going to make my first integer is x. So if I have even numbers, that means that they need to end with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So as an example of even integers, I have 2, 4, and 6. They're the 3 simplest even integers that there are. So my first integer is x. My second integer, okay, if I do it the same way I did up here, I will have x plus something. If 2 is x, to get to 4, I'd have to add 2 to that. So 2 plus 2 gives me 4. So x plus 2. My third integer is going to be x plus something. So again, if x is equal to 2, I have to have 2 plus 4 to get 6, so this is going to be x plus 4. I now know what my integers are. First integer, second integer, third integer. I want to find the sum, sum is add, of the first and the third. So I want to use the first one, and I want to use the third one. So I have x plus x plus 4. combine my like terms. X plus x is 2x. The 4 stays separate. And I have my answer is 2x plus 4. And my last example down here, there are 3 consecutive even integers. Find their sum. So they're not talking about the second and the third, the first and the third. They're talking about all 3 of them. So we already found an example up here. We already found how we can represent x to make all 3 of these integers. So I'm going to list my 3 integers, x, comma, x plus 2, comma, x plus 4. Now I'm being asked to find their sum, so I need to add these 3 together. So I'm going to be a little lazy here, conserve a little ink, and I'm going to replace my commas with plus signs. Now I'm going to add these. I need to find my like terms. That has an x, that has an x, that has an x. I add the 3 of them together. 1x plus 1x plus 1x, 3x. Find my non-x terms. 2 plus 4 plus 6. So my simplified form is 3x plus 6. Problem is done.